Many Android users think clearing their browser history is enough to remove their Google search activity, but that is not always true. Google stores your search activity in your Google account, which means you need to delete it from your Google search history settings. Follow these simple steps to properly remove your search history. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and open the Google Applications page. Make sure you are signed into the Google account whose search history you want to delete. Step 2. In the top right corner of the screen, tap your profile picture or account initial. This will open your account menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap Search History. You will be taken to the Google Activity page where your search activity is stored. Step 4. On the Search History page, tap the Delete button. A menu will appear with several options, including deleting activity from the last hour, the last day, a custom range, or all time. Step 5. If you want to completely remove your Google search history, select Delete All Time. This option deletes all recorded search activity linked to your account. Step 6. Google may display a summary of the data that will be removed. Read the information and tap Next to continue. Step 7. Finally, tap the Delete button again to confirm your choice. Google will begin removing your search history. Once completed, your selected Google search history will be permanently deleted from your account, helping improve your privacy and keeping your search activity organized.